Hi, my name is Bhavin, and this is RingOps, my submission for Agent of SigNoz Hackathon. RingOps is an autonomous on-call agent. Now imagine you are an SR and you are away from your laptop, and at this time you get a pager. Now, by the time you reach the laptop and try to dig into the issue, try to see the traces and metrics, already hours have been passed. Now, RingOps is exactly built to tackle this issue. Now let's quickly look at the architecture. These are the two services, RAG agent service, vector store service, primarily responsible for sending traces, metrics, logs, and alerts into SigNoz. Whenever the alert rule gets triggered in the SigNoz, RingOps investigator comes into the place. It investigates through the SigNoz MCP by pulling the traces and the logs. And then RAW is responsible for synthesizing the findings into a briefing. That After that, Twilio is responsible for placing the voice call. That briefing that briefing is heard by that SRE, and he has like three options to escalate the call, to post a GitHub issue, and to post to Slack. And he also obviously here's the issue, the root cause, and like some possible solutions. Tech stack is it's primarily built on Fast API and Python. SigNoz is self-hosted. Grok is responsible for synthesizing the findings into a briefing. Twilio is responsible for listening the voice call. Slack and GitHub APIs are responsible for posting the issue to Slack and GitHub. Now let's actually look at the demo. That's when it will make much more sense. Now what I did is I generated some traffic and it will take like 4 or 5 minutes to actually trigger an alert. That's why I will pause the recording and I will continue after 5 minutes. So right now you can see the alert has been triggered and I'm actually receiving a phone call. Let me answer this. You can get nine by upgrading to a full account and press to execute your code. Let me press in key.
This is RingOps Hackathon. Drag agent service is experiencing high error rates due to vector keeping not reachable. Check the retrieval backend connectivity and health. Here's what I can do for you right now. Press 1 to post the full report to Slack. Press 2 to escalate to the secondary on call. Press 3 to open a GitHub issue with the full report.
Let,
Press 4 to hear the summary again.
let me open GitHub issue. Press 3.
GitHub issue created. Check the repository.
Okay, GitHub issue has been created. Let's check if it has been actually been created. Uh, Let me go to issues. Yeah, you can see right here. It has been opened 1 minute ago. With the tags, auto generated an incident. Auto generated. Obviously, it means that it has been generated by RingOps. You can see the root cause, confidence, evidence from traces, metrics, and logs. So yeah, that was it. I have a time constraint. I would love to show the Slack issue being posted, the call being escalated to the secondary engineer. But unfortunately, I have a time constraint of 3 months. So that's it. That was RingOps. Thank you.